the situation. The city is a bit precarious. Yeah. The camera would you would be looking straight at me.
Straight ahead, yeah.
At me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So, whenever you're ready, talk about it.
You ask questions?
Yeah. So, Martin, how do you feel GUDDU's here in the city now?
Well, it's great because we tried before to bring him to. Ah, celle-là.
But this is harassment.
Yes, I'm sorry, but see, you bought so many things. We're really curious why.
No, not so many things. I just bought 3 things.
Yes, but they're so interesting. Why did you get? Could you just tell us your name and how you came to know about the exhibition, really quickly?
Okay, no problem. My name is William. I'm working with the UN. I learned with the French embassy because they're organizing this. I think this is the third time or second time.
The second time.
Yeah, exactly. No, and I love cinema, so it was very important not only to buy a poster, but also to support the person who is preserving his memory, institutional memory for Pakistan. So it's very important to encourage it because he needs to take care and preserve all this poster. You know. So some of them will stay here, some of them will go to France as a gift. Yeah, exactly.
What do you find so interesting about these pictures, posters?
No, they're very old, outdated, old-fashioned one, but they represent that time. It's part of the history. Even in France, in the 40s, 50s, they were painted, and after they were printed. So it's exactly like that. So we could say it's kind of naive art, but it really represents the Pakistani movies, cinema from these years.
What do you think about GUDDU doing this alone by himself, no support, no institution?
Yeah, no, but that's something amazing because I think he had thousands of them, and he just decided by himself with not too much money to take care of that. And I think this is very special. I think he deserves a recognition about what he did. And we are trying to support him as much as possible with a modest purchase. But I'm sure he's going to do more exhibition in the future, and people will come to support him. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
You need to stay here for a minute so I can take these shots.
Yeah,
Sure.
Is the shot of some of the stuff that you bought?
It's a special, that's a Martin one.
Yeah. What's so cool about this one? Why you like it?
Ali piche.
It's a choice of Martin.
Oh, Martin's choice.
There one in your hand.
Oh, this one in my hand, that's for my brother.
Sorry.
This one is
Ali piche.
Got it?
Next, please.
Okay, guys, you're doing the documentary?
Yeah.
That's great. That's what you need. You need some recognition.
Yeah,
Right?
that's how this entire journey got started. One small video, and
Yep.
Eric from the Alliance Française in Karachi, he saw it, he got interested, we started one exhibition there. Martine saw it, she heard about it, she loved it. We did one exhibition in Islamabad, and now GUDDU himself is here for the second exhibition. So, you know, it's a journey. We're hopeful that it will lead to something more permanent for him. Hopefully he'll find a place where he can put all of the archive, because right now it's exposed in the, he lives in a tin roof on an old
That's
house.
what Martin explained to me.
Yeah.
Very precarious.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
and hopefully we'll find a way. Yeah, this is just one of the ways,
Little to little, step by step.
step by
Yeah,
step.
exactly. No, that's very nice. Hopefully. So if there is another one, I will come. For sure. Okay, thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Ah ben, j'en ai pris plusieurs.
Tu la prends?
Ah ben, je prends 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3.
Ah bon, d'accord. Avec Léa, on faisait la machine à
Ah oui.
Faut pas. Ces deux-là, la tête de mort, leurs chaussures, les deux chevaliers qui se battent, l'espèce de vilain fusée. Là, moi j'ai choisi. C'est bien le regarde celle-là avec les petits personnages qui arrivent là. Ah oui, ça c'est. Ouais.
Avec les pistolets.
Ouais. En plus, le dessin. Ouais. Non mais regarde, c'est comme ça que les hommes veulent être regardés. Là c'est fini, c'était une autre époque. On en parle.
This woman married in 5 years coma. 5 years coma.
She's been in a coma for 5 years. She's still alive, this woman.
Still alive?
Yes, but
She's in UK?
UK.
She was very pretty, no?
Photogenic face.
Là, rien que ça, tu vois, le méchant est beau. Oui, mais c'est mignon.
Ah oui, non, lui, là.
En plus, c'est. De rien.
Ali.
Ah, celle-là est belle. Lui, c'est. Hein? Ça, c'est un homme. Regarde les yeux, là. Ça, c'est lui. Hein, l'homme était calé sur Hollywood, quoi. Donc, c'est de l'adaptation, c'est le Bollywood pakistanais. Et tu as des films de vampires, tu as des films de charlots, tu as des films de la jungle.
Ça m'a beaucoup fait rire.
Mais il y a des westerns, tu vois, qui sont vraiment des adaptations. Ah ouais, c'est sympa, hein.
Cotton Club de Casablanca.
Oui, non, c'est
Casablanca.
the oldest one. What is the date of the oldest one? Old. Yeah, the oldest.
ये क्या?
ये सबसे पुराना वाला कौन सा है और उसकी कौन सी डेट का है?
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, सबसे पुराना। अच्छा, एक और मैंने तेरी याद का भी लगाया था, पैनाफ्लेक्स, वो पहला था ना पोस्टर।
अच्छा,
हाँ, ये तकरीबन सारे पुराने हैं ये।
लेकिन सबसे पुराना भी इनमें से
सबसे
कौन सा है?
पुराना ये वाला होगा, पार्टीशन से भी पहले था।
Celle-là? This
हाँ, मेरे
one?
ख्याल में
Before partition, this one?
जी 45 मेलोडी क्वीन मैडम नूर जहां, पाकिस्तान।
Hein, c'est quoi? C'est
garde Pakistan.
Oui, oui.
Et du coup, il a une photo aussi d'elle. Et ce qui est marrant, c'est quand tu regardes.
Pakistan, it just shows this name because the first talkie movie in subcontinent was named Alamara in 1931. So they named it Alamara therefore.
Ouais, carrément.
Quand il fait en l'air,
Ouais.
et il se méfie pakistanais. Ils ont pas que mettre sur eBay à $500. Donc voilà, c'est tout ça qui est un peu compliqué, mais
Ça va, merci.
tout ça, ce sont des originaux. Ils en sont des le village de 9 ans collectionne les affiches.
C'est fabuleux.
Parce que dans les extraits du film, je reconnais le chaudronnier.
C'est-à-dire que tu vois les limites de la sécurité. Bonne soirée alors. Et puis, je pense que vraiment, sauf si tu reviens demain. Et ben bon, bonne chance.
Moi j'ai pris chez le magnifique, je ne sais pas du tout la Ok.
Thank you.
आप बनाए अनुज तस्वीरें
Je pense que ça je vais les offrir à des copains. Celle-là elle va être chouette.
C'est comme photo de plateau, c'est ça?
Ouais, je pense hein.
Pendant le tournage.
Ouais.
आप ही राजेंद्र बना ली तस्वीर ठीक है उनको बुला दो उनको बुला दो ये इधर आना पड़ेगा।
Je les laisse regarder quand même.
Oui, oui. Partez pas tout de suite.
Non, je ne vais pas partir tout de suite, mais je pense que je vais prendre également celle-ci sur cette bouclette.
Building jungle.
The whole program was
Ça, ça irait plus dans le style Nico. C'est du carton. Celle-là, elle est pas mal. Enfin, j'aime bien le
Ah, you want a picture?
The female is not. Female.
Ah, it's Nagin.
Female snake is this one.
Okay. For me, okay. For me, Nagin was the.
No, that is only. That is being only.
The tone, the music type. They call Nagin.
No, the instrument is called. No. These are the three parts. Nagin. Nagin.
Yes.
This is three partition. This one also. It was released in '46, and it was quite hit at that time. Because it was musical, beautiful songs, and it was very beautiful songs.
Celle-là?
Un petit côté kitsch.
Moi, c'est celle-là.
Most of them that we capture
Parce que alors, celle-là, tu vois, avec
older ones that are not
avec ces espèces de
because the more recent ones are not that. Not the same value as the ones
Right, right. Franchement, pour moi, c'est assez fou. Je n'avais pas acheté, mais j'ai dit, bon, je le laisse pour les autres. Mais bon. Regardez, quand même, celle-là, on n'a pas assez bien en bas. C'était quand même une époque où on savait faire des films. Oui, on sait pourquoi on attire le critère.
GUDDU आप और भी लोगों से मिले हैं कुछ?
जी जी।
Ah oui.
They actually like
Ah oui, là, on peut pas dire.
because they were.
Ouais, et puis it's rather fragile, so
Yeah, it's
reluctant to handle.
yeah. This one is a full partition.
Et en fait, ça donne une spectacle.
सब एक एक करके दिखाते हैं कि ये होता है
Donc soit sur nos sujets, ça va avoir, et je vais Okay.
Depends on the size and if it is any good.
Devant tes palmiers, bah moi aussi j'ai un concept. Concept de mon île. Au début, on va décamper parce que ça va être
These are all the professionals and also
Not facsimile.
I think there's one from the fourth partition also. The tickets are on the top there.
Okay.
Depending on the size and how good. Some of them are really old, so it's a bit damaged.
And Mr. GUDDU is the direction, no? Got it. The one who is
Excellent. Thank you.
Yasir.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
मुझे 5 से बताया था मैंने अपनी लेकिन नाम दिया तो मैं बस आ गया ना उनको इसलिए इलाज ना 2 महीने तक शुरू की तो उनकी ना इजाज़ साहब को लाहौर से बुलाया सैयद नूर भी आए हाँ हाँ कुछ मैंने पढ़ा बल्कि मुझे जो पता चला
En fait, ça se trouve, c'était la star d'une époque.
कुछ भी नहीं है, ये तो खैर हमारे यहाँ पे वो है ही नहीं।
हिंदी पहली फिल्म में उसका पोस्टर मैंने वो भी देखा लगा।
कई पोस्टर के बनावट इसमें होता है कि आप देखिए जैसे कपड़ा अंदर भी खराश नहीं है, आप लगे 62 का है।
Oops, sorry.
Non plus, j'en vois certaines, je sais des...
Ah, bah regarde, il y a les grandes beautés, les grandes beautés. Ah oui.
So one has been keeping all these posters for how many years?
versus 8 साल 9 साल की उम्र से चाहे
Depuis qu'il avait 9 ans, il était en début.
C'est pas dire que ça fait vraiment longtemps, ça serait désobligeant.
Parce que c'est une collection unique.
इनको ये बताएं कि सिर्फ पोस्टर ही नहीं ओल्ड मैगजीन रिकॉर्ड ऑडियो
Donc, il n'y a pas que les affiches, mais aussi les vidéos, la musique.
Elle écoute, c'est là.
Just pick a corner.
It's
Look at the tennis. Tennis is not good. Tomorrow
because this.
$5.
It's a basket.
Non, pas des...
Ah, handmade. Je sais pas.
C'est d'avant.
on a fait ça, on a fait cette exposition déjà en juillet pendant Ramadan et on a pas mal d'amis, collègues qui ont acheté, qui les ont emmenés en France, qui les ont montré à des copains qui m'ont dit ah mais putain il faut que tu m'en achètes.
J'en ai vu une chez Michael et Nathalie.
Bah oui.
Je l'avais trouvé vraiment super celle-ci.
C'est laquelle?
C'était. En fait, c'était bien parce que ça avait un rapport avec la France, parce qu'il y avait une tour Eiffel dessus. Je ne sais pas si elle se passe en France.
Attends. Est-ce qu'elle est là?
Elle avait vachement plu.
Non,
c'était pas celle-ci. On la voyait vraiment bien en fond.
On essaie d'employer pour Karine là-dedans? Ouais. Ah mais...
évidemment, c'est dans la nôtre,
celle-là, c'est plutôt quelque chose. C'est pas elle est bien. Alors, je trouve ça.
Non, c'était pas celle-ci. C'était vraiment une autre où elle était beaucoup plus grande. Il y avait deux personnages.
इसी में होगा नहीं तो मैं भिजवा दूंगा
Donc il va chercher chez
है वो मिस हो गया ना या हो सकता है वो इसके अंदर मैं चेक कर लूँ
il l'a chez lui donc
Autrement, moi je serais preneur avec une de celle-ci. C'est la même, il faudrait que je vois s'il y a.
oui tu peux lui demander de
Get their back.
यहाँ से आ जाओ.
आपकी back.
Get their faces. Always get the face, not the back.
Okay, 85.
On a pris que des dessins qui sont les plus anciens.
The intention is set. Because he wants to make sure that whatever he has remains safe in the archive.
No, good.
And this is something he can disseminate to the public. So that the public gets to know about this and they can have it as part of their own collection if they want to make it.
No, of course. But I was a bit upset. I think all that original is no more copy of that. And for 20 years.
Yeah.
That it's,
He's been collecting this since he was like 9. So
no, but it's just amazing.
parce que lui
Excuse me. Thank you.
Excuse me. We're just taking a short soundbite of your experience of the exhibition.
We're actually doing a documentary on GUDDU, so if you've seen the GUDDU short documentary, it's done by the guy right next to me.
Okay.
And he's the brains behind it.
Yeah, so what we're doing right now is just trying to get everyone's reaction on what they thought of the exhibition and what were their expectations.
You know, that fills me with shivering because it's a whole history. It's a whole history, it's a whole universe, which is particularly now when you see how, let's say, open, daring, wonderful with these, all these unique witnesses almost of the testimonies of these old times. very important, and I hope that the general public will see it. Because that may, now people are so much Wahhabist in their minds, like Orthodox, and then they don't know what was the real Pakistani history, even 20 years ago, 30 years ago. And it's so important to give back the memory to the people. Otherwise, people can be so easily manipulated. When they recover their memory, it's really a public duty. And I hope that Progress will be able to have an exhibit of that, because it's such a treasure. It's a national treasure.
Do you think it's interesting that, an individual like GUDDU has been doing it?
No, that's true. It's incredible. And that's give you a lot of good vibes, energies, nice feelings, particularly now we have so much French, and we are so much surrounded by terrorism, we are so by fear, I think, and to see that one single person, by his will, by his positive action, has been able to recover the whole memory of whole people, of crowds of people, and that is wow. I still have to discover all.
Could you, just for the camera, just tell us your name and how you came to be a part of to find out about this?
Okay, I'm Dr. Pierre Alain Baud. I'm the biographer of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. And we are going to present my book on the 8th of January in Dr. It's in English, but it used to be also published in Urdu last year and in French 5-10 years ago. And for the last 20-30 years, I have been promoting a number of Pakistani artists worldwide. And but that is.
How did you get to know the exhibition, or how did you get to know about GUDDU?
By friends, Sophie and Julien, French friends, and by the embassy people.
So you liked it?
Sure. No.
Thank you so much. Cheers, mate.
Start to end. I like no new poster, but
the style of the old. And do you also sell the pictures, or it's just for the exhibition?
पिक्चर जैसे हमने जो सेल पे जो है सिर्फ सारे पोस्टर्स थे तो कुछ नहीं
तस्वीरें मैंने कहा एक नई वैरायटी भी होनी चाहिए।
ओके तो प्राइसेस में आप खुद ही करनी पड़ेगी।
हाँ ठीक है। तो आप पहले निकालें।
Pense que va vendre, vous demande de choisir des catégories.
Ok, on peut aussi regarder dans les photos alors.
Oui, elle va vendre les photos aussi.
Okay. And you are not to be separated of the original picture?
आप असल पिक्चर्स दे रहे हैं आपको दुनिया की सारी
तो इसलिए बात ये कि जब मैंने ये चीज़ें कलेक्ट की थी ना तो एक साथ दो की थी तो एक उनकी कीमत मुझे ज़्यादा अदा करनी पड़ी तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि इसका मतलब हमें कुछ मिलेगी ना जो मैंने खर्चा किया जो मेरा टाइम
He's saying that he has duplicate copies of everything, so even if he sells it, so that's okay.
Okay. Yeah. And how much would be this one?
500.
500. How much? Well, and have you seen all the movies of the posters? Or not?
This सारी movies के रखी हैं, poster मूवी खुद भी देख चुके हैं।
फिल्म नहीं मेरी पैदाइश से भी पहले इनको बताया।
Some films are before he was in the forms.
Yeah, basically.
This poster partition से पहले before.
Before partition? Okay. Et je Qu'est-ce qu'on vit pour ta
Indian film.
before partition. From Indian side?
Indian film.
En fait, c'est le roi Shah Jahan.
Shah Jahan, Saigal, Ragini. This is a very important film.
Je crois que ça doit le faire plaisir, on va.
Attends.
Ouais.
Ah ouais, je pense, ouais. Ok. Ok.
Maybe I take this one for my colleague.
You can. Photogenic face.
Okay, and is it double? Can I go with yes, I think.
And they are pilgrims.
And they are pilgrims. But could I come because Farid will come tomorrow? Farid will have at least to enter. Farid, can you enter with me or?
Ça, c'est un homme. Regarde les yeux. Avec Claire, on le faisait dans les Chiliens.
Ah oui.
Ces deux-là, la tête de mort, l'autre chauve-souris, les deux chevaliers qui se battent, l'espèce de minaret fusée.
C'est grâce à la
Celle-là.
बीच में ला दो
$149 बड़ा बहुत है कम है इसका मैं ऐसे कह रही मैं बिल्कुल स्कूल का लेकिन किस शख्स ने जो आज तक किया है ये ना हो किया क्या
हाँ सब
मेरे लिए बहुत हमने बहुत अच्छे ज़माने देखे हम एक्सपेक्ट करते थे कि हमारे बच्चे उनके लिए हुआ ये कि हमारे साथ दुनिया आगे चल रही है इसमें हम पीछे चले गए अगर मेरी उसकी बेटी उसकी बेटी की बेटी खाना चाहिए वो खाना चाहिए तीन जनरेशंस और आगे हम पीछे चले गए वो आगे थे
Yes, that's true. We're back 50 years.
हमें 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 अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमें जो लोगों ने पीछे धकेलने में हाथ है उनमें दो mm का हाथ है, एक मुल्ला एक मिलिट्री जो हमारी
कुछ भी नहीं था हमारे लिए वो हमारा मुसल्ली होता था
मिलिट्री ज़्यादा
वो मुसल्ली होता था और गाँवों में अगर उसका खुतबा जुम्मे का खुतबा नहीं होता था तो बदल सेपीदारी सिस्टम था यानी गाँव में आप लोग उगा रहे हैं लोहार उसको अनाज मिलता था हर एक को सोशल सर्विसेज एंड इकोनॉमिक सर्विसेज के बदले अनाज मौलवी को हर घर से कभी किसी घर से कभी किसी घर से रोटी मिलती थी क्योंकि उसकी ज़मीन नहीं।
अच्छा मेरा इस क्योंकि आपने बात की है तो मेरा एक सवाल है आपको क्योंकि आपने हमसे आपने हमसे ज़्यादा पाकिस्तान देखा है
मेरी उम्र की वजह से कुछ ना बहुत से लोगों ने अपने भी बात समथिंग वेरी
नहीं बट
नहीं मारूंगी अपनी बात का तुम्हारे
नहीं माय क्वेश्चन वुड बी कि आपने बहुत सारी जनरेशन की
चित्राल से ग्वादर तक तकरीबन हर गाँव सीखा हुआ है रेप पे पहली स्टडी पाकिस्तान की हुई है यू नेम इट
No, my simple question would be, since you've seen generations, like you've literally seen generations, and you've seen Pakistan evolve from the downfall, devolve. Let's say you've seen Pakistan devolve. Who would you blame? Who would you blame, or who in your personal perspective think is responsible? Number one.
ये कहानी खानी है तो
अच्छा
फौजी क्या कर देंगे
नहीं
नहीं आज तक अगर चल रहा है
नहीं that's another question.
आपने टीवी पे देखा चार तमाशे वो करते हैं पॉलिटिशियन
that later on if you will be kind enough to give us the time and the day and we can further explore this myriad maze of
why don't you do a group discussion
we would love to be part of it
experts here
yeah
and हम बैठ के और
sure we would love to do that whenever you can tell us
We're here
नहीं कहना चाहती कि कैरेबियन स्टिक करो कि आपके हाथ में आज कुछ भी ना आए कुछ छोटा मोटा करना कर लो
yes
but
just
you can do a very in-depth thing
because the truth be told I don't know if you've seen my documentary or
नहीं मैं कभी भी हालांकि मैं पहली दफ़ा यहाँ आई थी
yes
और वो भी किसी ने मांगा तो मैंने वो कागज
documentary
में पकड़ा दिया ताकि आई वांटेड कि इनकी बिके तो फॉर योर मार्केटिंग मैंने वो कागज
when you're seeing this and what it's like worlds apart from what you're used to all that can you say something?
माइक नीचे.
Yes, sure.
Ali, 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 माइक नीचे. यहाँ इस लेवल पे. Thank you.
Better?
Better.
Okay.
No, I think it's great that GUDDU is showing us all this because it's such a part of culture and society that we don't get to see, and it's really amazing. Last time when some of the posters came here, we bought a poster called Love in the Jungle, a movie called Love in the Jungle, and another one that is called Chandelier or something like that, which is really beautiful because it has this kind of Art Deco and Persian miniatures style. So we bought these two, and today we found the synopsis that goes with it, like the little leaflets that were given out at movies, and so it really shows the story. And for us, it's really important because it really shows what's behind the posters that we brought. Yeah.
So in terms of the artwork and what's going on in terms of
Ali.
what do you think when you look at this? Does it represent a different era, a different like mindset? What do you think about that?
Sure, I guess it does represent something that is in danger today. Economically, I mean, GUDDU was telling me about the artists that are in some of these pictures that are either living in really dire economic conditions, or if you look at the Peshawar side of things, are actually just risking their lives and getting killed. And I think in Pakistan, maybe like in a lot of countries, there's very little memory. There's very little, looking back. And I think it's crucial to remember what this country was, what it is made out of, and not to ignore these. I mean, we're not like, this country is not about Wahhabis and all of that. It's also about that, but it's also about all of this cultural background and riches that are there. So it's definitely super important for these people to know that this is also Pakistan.
What do you think about the fact that GUDDU's been saving this collection by himself? And I mean, do you think it's a commendable effort?
I think it's amazing. I think it's great that he is. Also, what I think is great is the fact that all of what people are buying here, he has. It's not like people are kind of depleting his collection. He has all of this, and it's amazing that he's kept it, because GUDDU should have a museum, basically, because that's where it belongs. But it's his work, and he should be acknowledged for it, because he did something at times when it really wasn't looked down upon, and yeah, I think it's a great thing what he's done.
Could you just for the camera tell us your name and how you came to know about the exhibition?
Yeah, sure. My name is Sophie. I've been coming to the French Club since I was a baby, so that's why I know about this exhibition. And when I found out that GUDDU was going to be here, I thought I wouldn't want to miss it.
You really now that you met GUDDU, what was your first reaction upon meeting him?
I think he's authentic. I think, a lot of, very few people are, and he really cares about what he's showing us, and he really cares about, he knows the stories, and he's just, authentic. I mean, that's really the word, I think. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sophie.